love that movement. Look, actually, what does you?
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
I am Christabel Chukwu. By birth, I'm only Cameroon, but by marriage, I'm a Biafran. All hail Biafra. I joined this struggle 2014. Ebi Maba. Zone Adendo zone. Yeah. Eso Nande Gara National High School. I used to work fence. All hail Biafra. So, one more to Nigeria Nubwa. So, Yeni Leshirike na Nigeria. So, one of my husband back decided we say come and travel because Nigeria why is so much or the fair. So, remember that every man about almost 17 years. So, my ego will shake. All hail Biafra. I'm very happy to be with you people because I feel like at home. I'm so proud to be a Biafra, really. When this Biafran struggle started in Aba, I used to go to my shop. I preached the gospel of Biafra. Some of my neighbors would say, you want to Cameroon, no, Biafra, Biafra. I told them that I'm more Biafra than you guys. You people will be here, Biafra will come. Because I travel a lot. I see what Biafrans are going through. Really. The very first day I listened to the voice of Biafra Kanu, I became more Biafra even than my husband. I even preached the gospel to my husband. When I told my husband, you have to join IPOB, my husband said, you and this your Biafra. Yeah, my husband, he's a Biafran. I preached the gospel to him. When I want to go to the meeting, I say, why? Everybody naga, the police did get bang, I come on out. Bemgara National High School, that particular day, some war fence. A family led docker, they killed our member, but we keep on going. I know Mebang Hajde Ikechuku, our zonal coordinator. I was there. But because of our director, I'm saying my husband, these children I have, these are the future of Biafra. If I die today, my children enjoy tomorrow, I'll be very happy. Really, I preach the gospel of Biafra, even here. When people ask me, where are you from? I say, I'm from Biafra. Yeah, I don't even tell them that maybe I was born in Cameroon. I know. Because if I die today, they will bury me in Biafra land. So I'm very happy. I'm very happy today because since we are at this country, I asked about Biafran people. So I met him on Facebook because he always shares Biafran in UAE. So I asked, please, I'm one of you. How can I join? So he was like trying to direct me. Then I met this other brother, and the day I met him, I asked, where are you from? He said that Nigeria. I said, which part of Nigeria? Because that is the first question I asked. Because that name Nigeria, I hate that name. I don't like that name. Let me finish. Please, come and chat. When I asked him, which part of Nigeria? He said that he's a Biafran. I said, that's good. Then we start communicating. Because when you say Nigeria, I don't have anything to do with any Nigeria. When you say Biafra, I start communicating. Good. So my work here don't give me the chance to come. Even they tested me, I know about it, but my job, I know me. So I said today I must meet my family. So I'm very happy to be with you guys. I'm a born Biafran. I've gone through the process. I've taken the oath. You know, we take the oath the first time. Director come again that all members should repeat it. We took it. So I'm very happy. I've gone a lot through the struggle. Went to protest in Biafra land. You know, it's not easy to go and protest in Biafra land if you are not a committed member. Yeah, it's not easy. I trekked from Cemetery Market to Port Harcourt. I was there. I trekked. Yeah, we trekked. Even when army was playing bullet, I was there. When I come back, my husband said that, okay, you and your Biafra. And from then, my husband became a hardcore IPOB member. So I'm very happy. Even my children don't want to hear anything about Nigeria. Everybody now is Biafra. Biafra is everywhere. Yeah, so I'm very happy to once again be with my family. Even today, I called one of our Zona mommy. We used to call her Mommy Biafra. If you watch the video that happened at women meeting at Abiriba, yeah. She was the one putting on the Biafran cap. She was the one calling the women to come back. That woman is so strong and powerful. Really. So this struggle, Biafra is already here. Biafra has come already. What is going on now in Nigeria is just, you know, Biafra is already here. We should stop doubting. And there's one thing our brother said, that we should go and preach the gospel about Biafra. Preaching the gospel about Biafra is correct. But I don't force anybody to come. A time will come when they will be looking for us, not us looking for them. Don't force anybody, because if any Biafran, Igbo, or any Biafran who lives in this country say that he or she has not heard about Biafra, that person is lying.
God bless you.
They know everything, and some of them, they just want to relax. When Biafra come, then they will come and join.
Yeah, that's all. They don't want to spend money.
Yeah, that is what they are doing.
They don't want to spend anything.
Our director used to say that the world knows about Biafra. They don't want to talk about us. But a time will come, they will talk about us. This is the time. So don't force anybody. They will look for us, not us looking for them. All hail Biafra. We should be strong and formidable. You know, I always listen to director. The last video I saw director, they were interviewing, Al Jazeera was interviewing him. I was very happy. I've never seen a man like that in my entire life. I've never seen a man. When I travel to my country, Cameroon, when I go to the border, a Yoruba man will ask me, okay, bring your passport. I'll say to the Yoruba man, I don't have passport. With my Biafran cap on my head, I'll say, I don't have a passport. We Biafran, we know ourselves. A Biafran custom was just looking at me. She said, come, woman, come. Where are you from? I said, I'm from Biafra land. I preach the gospel at Ekom Men Park. They say, woman, go with that, you are Biafra. But today, Biafra is everywhere. I used to tell, when I visit Cameroon, I tell them that you people should be ready. Very soon you are coming back to your country. Because Biafra, they are suffering. Even where I'm living, I tell my neighbors that if Biafra come today, I will just pack my load and go back. Today, if Biafra come today, I will pack my load. You will see me at the airport. Because even this country we are living in, they are no more richer than Biafra. We are just suffering here. Biafra have a lot to offer. We are blessed. God gave us everything to control, everything. So we should not worry ourselves. Those that want to come and join us, they will come and join us. The gospel is in the television. Al Jazeera speak about it. BBC speak about it. Facebook, Google, everything, everywhere. They are talking now about Biafra. Biafra is everywhere. All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Thank you very much.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Wow, Biafra State. Biafra. What you Biafra State for that? You have a good I'm one you get you. I'm not busy. You have to go and join the Biafra and Nepal. No, nobody Biafra no my mana. Abu at the same Hana Bagari no my. Yes, so Manashiko, whom I have walked by to South more side Yoruba. Respect I know when I teach it. Maybe I got to pay for that course. Magaso, Uroyam, Sumania, Punaga, Ufoya, Utusumo, Kamsoya, but Mama, and I'm sure go do. Amama, Namshi, Bindi, Umani, Hepata. Magasoya, Naga, Ruta. Asia, I'm a medicinal, a medicinal. Maga Hontasina, Anna Quaranu. pụrụ iche and ha na-egwu egwu na ụwa niile dịka ndị mmanụ ife pụrụ iche ma a sị na ọ dịka m ga-aba ebe dịrọ ndị a na-ejikwa onwe m ejikwa akara aka nke m ọbụ maka we nwere akara aka ihe nnata masị maka m soro ma brọda bịazi bịa kpọrọ m batazi ebe ha nọ ọ bụ ya kpọtara m ebe a si m nọ ebe a ka ndị ahụ na-achọkwa nnọ masị ka m sokwara ha nọ ebe a.
Here we don't lie. I hope we are aware of this.
Yes.
If you are an IPOB member, IPOB means Indigenous People of Biafra. That is the meaning of IPOB. We don't lie. So don't be surprised when you were saying that there are some people now gathering. He said the truth to himself. Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
But Biafra is in the blood and it's a spirit. Soon, those that don't even believe, they will believe. How get I better because I get better how get a Biafra must get it. Come. God bless you. But brother, what about you?
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
Afambo Frank from Imo State.
Frank on here.
Frank and my wife from Imo State. So I'm Nonja, to Nonja. Otogo, I love na 2006. It's on Bible together. So Otogo, I love Biafra. So more happened over the last 2 weeks. Can be also going to know when I'm going to find it. Oh, yeah, Biafra.
Oh, yeah, Biafra.
You better over there 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks ago.
2 weeks ago.
Can you be better? Huh?
Oh, no, my God.
So, my brother, let me come back to you. When are you here? When did you come to this place?
I got from Dubai, January 24th.
January 24th. This year, right?
Yes,
You didn't go on?
into Implement to Salah.
God bless you. We are coming for that. Oh, hey, Biafra.
Oh, hey, Biafra.
But you can.